Hi, this is Michelle McLaren, and I welcome you back to the ABCs of Health Insurance. I'm a licensed health insurance broker with my own agency, Just the Facts Insurance Agency, and I'm also a licensed health insurance counselor in the state of Texas. I'm here to help explain the confusion that is insurance. It's confusing. Insurance is evil. Let's turn evil into easy with answers. Today's letter is K. K is for knowledge. And as anyone who's ever watched Schoolhouse Rock knows, knowledge is power. Sometimes we don't understand what knowledge we don't have. We also may think something is more complicated than it really is just because it's never been explained to us in a language we can handle. That's why I often introduce myself as a health insurance translator. Insurance is something we pay huge amounts of money for and hope to never use. That's just kind of crazy when you think about it. And people shop online for their insurance without any thought of anything but which one's cheapest. Now, you would never shop for a car or a house or even a stove without some research and understanding of the pricing and availability of the products. If you're buying a house, you might hire a professional inspector to make sure that the house is in good condition, or if you have a used car you're buying, you'll probably take it to a mechanic. You want to make sure these things are up to standards. But thousands of people every year go online and buy the cheapest health insurance plan because that's got to be one that works for them. They don't understand what it does do, and more importantly, they don't understand what it doesn't do. As one friend of mine said to me recently, the insurance was great until I had to use it. A licensed insurance agent can help you gain that knowledge on the details of your insurance policy and know all of your options up front. In the past, insurance agents were paid on commission. This is money that came from the insurance companies. In the health insurance industry, those commissions have been cut drastically due to the 80-20 rule of the Affordable Care Act. Only 20% of what the companies take in for premiums can they spend on all of their overhead. And I promise you, not much is going to the agents. So some insurance agents have chosen not to sell health insurance anymore, or to limit the products that they sell to make sure that they're getting the better commissions. Others are charging a fee for their service. What's most important to you is to make sure that the agent you speak with is giving you multiple options and explaining the good or bad of every option. You want someone who's working for you, not for the insurance company. A thorough agent should check your doctors, make sure they're in network, check your medications to see what they're going to cost for you. Did you know that medication can be tier 1, super cheap in one insurance company, and tier 3 or 4, much more expensive with another insurance company? And something else, all major medical plans, these are the plans sold on the marketplace on healthcare.gov, or you can buy them directly from the agencies. They always have the same price, no matter who sells them. So if you've got somebody offering you a big discount on a major medical plan, you might check into that because they're probably not selling what you think they are. Some people choose to get their help from navigators at healthcare.gov or local public health centers. These navigators have been trained in the Affordable Care Act marketplace systems, but they are not licensed agents, and they don't always know the products very well, more often the system that they're working with. They don't understand all those details and options, the networks and stuff like that, so you want to ask that helper what their credentials are. And even worse, in 2018, for those plans, they cut the budget to have federal navigators by 90%. And for 2019 plans, they've cut it again. So those navigators are getting harder and harder to find. You want to take the time to get the knowledge you need about your options and plans. If you have poor knowledge now, it's going to create huge headaches later. Take the time to learn and know. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today, and I hope you found this information helpful. Do you have other health insurance questions? You can check out my other videos or leave your question in the comments. Education is so important, and that's why I created Just the Facts Insurance Agency. It's just the facts you need to protect those you love.